Searching for a job online is actually easy. Yeah, searching for a job online is actually easy, and that's why I have found a website that is gonna pay you to do jobs that you love. So you are just gonna search for the job that you love, you apply for the job, you get working, and you got paid. Okay, so if that sounds interesting, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, please give this video a like button and comment what you think about this video down there in the comment section. So let's get into this video. So the name of this website is called Web Loaded Solution. Okay, as you can see it's right there. What you just have to do is just to go over to your search button and search for to your Chrome browser and search for Web Loaded Solution. So once you are on it, you will get to this portal or somewhere like this. You don't have to register for anything. Now as you can see, there are a lot of jobs. They have entry jobs, as you can see for this one. They have writing jobs, as you can see. Yeah, under the entry level jobs, we have game playing, we have video watching, we have email reading, we have capture solving, and we have copying and pasting. And the range for this money is about $2 to $10 per assignment. So the next job is writing jobs. So as you can see, we have content writing, we have resume writing, we have technical writing, article writing, copywriting, ghost writing, ebook writing, script writing, and blog writing. So if you're interested in this part of the category of jobs, just apply for it by clicking on this apply button right here. And the pay is ranging from $20 to $100. Now the second one is virtual assistant. So these virtual jobs. So under the virtual job, we have virtual assistant, tutoring and teaching, proofreading and editing, transcription, translating and interpreter, virtual recruiting, virtual accountant, voiceover artist, office assistant, receptionist, call center sales agent, and customers support. And then we have designing job, which is another category. As you can see, we have web designing, graphic designing, logo designing, banner designing, multimedia designing, animation designing, photo designing, and video editing. So you have also testing job, you have marketing job. They have a lot of jobs for you here to do. So what you just have to do is just to look for Web Loaded Solution. Look for the job that really fits your niche or fits what you are looking for. Apply for the job as easy as possible. Just click on the apply button, apply for the job. If you reach your requirements, you apply for the job, and once you have the job, you start working and you're being paid. So before you register or you apply for any job, please read the requirements so that you won't be off balance of the job. Then once you are being given the job, maybe you say you can't perform the job. So read the requirements of the job, what is expected of you, what are the things or the skills that are required before applying for any job. So if this video have been helpful, or if this video have been quite informative to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, and I will catch you up in my next video. So stay safe and stay healthy.